Hey guys, how you doing? Getting a little late start. Been busy today. But at any rate, here we go. Silver Eagle sales scream higher due to deteriorating market conditions. This will put Silver Eagle sales for the first quarter at 15 million, the highest ever, from the SRS Rocco report. Silver Eagle sales will likely jump by 25% in the first quarter due to deteriorating market conditions. During the first 3 months last year, the U.S. Mint sold 12 million Silver Eagles. Already, sales of Silver Eagles have reached 13 million. There are 2 weeks remaining in March, and the U.S. Mint will likely sell another 2 million. This will put total Silver Eagle sales for the first quarter at 15 million, the highest ever. The last record was set in 2013 as the U.S. Mint sold 14.2 million Silver Eagles as the price of silver fell from $32 to $25 in the first 3 months of the year. Regardless, the authorized purchasers have been on a 1 million week allocation for the past 2 months, so there was no way to acquire more Silver Eagles. Demand for Silver Eagles this year has hit a record due to deteriorating market conditions, even though the Dow Jones Index has added 2,000 points from its low last month at 15,500. This is not a sustainable rally. Each day there are more indicators pointing towards a worsening economic fundamentals. Total Silver Eagle sales in 2016 could easily reach 50 million and possibly 55 million if demand remains strong for the remainder of the year. I believe a certain amount of investors understood that nothing has been fixed in the financial system since the collapse of the U.S. investment banking and housing market in 2008. This is why we continue to see buying of Silver Eagles. I published this chart in a prior article, but it's worth taking another look at, especially if you haven't seen it yet. What's interesting about this chart is that cumulative physical bar and coin demand is higher in the past 4 years, even though the price has fallen in half. And here's a little chart if you want to pause and take a look at that. Hope you can see it well. As we can see, cumulative silver bar and coin demand from 2012 to 2015 was 24,500 metric tons, 788 metric ounces, versus 19,729 metric tons, 634 metric ounces from 2008 to 2011. I'm sorry, it wasn't metric ounces, that's million ounces. Excuse me. Again, a percentage of investors realize the system continues to get weaker, though the stock and bond markets look good on paper. This is why silver investment demand continues to be strong, even though the price has declined 67% from its $49 high in 2011. Lastly, though, Dow Jones Index has increased 2,000 points from its low. The price of silver is at its high for the year. We have to remember, silver jumped from a low of $13.75 in the beginning of the year to $16 when the Dow Jones fell 11%. To see the price of silver continue to move higher along with the Dow Jones suggests that something has fundamentally changed in the silver market. I agree. and I hope it continues to rise. Thanks, guys. Remember the new competition? We're going to be giving away all kinds of cool stuff, but you have to subscribe. The only way you'll be entered into the competition is to subscribe. I'm going to be giving away silver, some gemstones, and I don't even know what all else yet. But it's going to be a really cool competition, or not competition, but giveaway. So I want y'all to be involved, so subscribe please, and keep on stacking.